Yes, the recording is start right now. So we will start with the Bhastrika. This is the Bhastrika pranayama. It's a cleansing process. This is not breathing exercise. It will clear your wind, air pipe, and your both nostril, and you will feel. In this, we can use force of breath, we can use sound of breath, and we can use jerk. But in the breathing exercises, we never use jerk like this. No, we never use in the breathing exercise. We never use sound. No, in the breathing exercise, we never use, and we never use irregularity. This is irregularity. In the pranayama, we never use. It's not recommended. But in the cleansing process, we can use to purify, to clean the process. We can use that for for 50 times in one round. So I teach you. So be straight. We can do in the diamond pose. We can do in the easy pose. We can do in the lotus pose. Whatever you feel like, you can do.
Easy.
Okay, you prefer easy pose. Okay, so it's recommended. We can do Siddhi Yoni Asana. These four postures recommended in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra we can use during the meditation and during the breath. Because in the ancient time, they use breath, they do breath in the easy pose, mostly with the sitting. But nowadays, everybody is not capable, so they can sit on the chair, they can lay down, so they can use that. So we are trying to invent some changes in the breathing exercises. So we will start. This is the sequence. First, you have to start with the Bhastrika pranayama, means cleansing yourself, clean your vessel. So first, you have to be sit straight. You can do Gyan Mudra, or you can be like this. It's only up to you. Okay. So now
Is it given the mudra?
The Gyan Mudra only. The Gyan Mudra.
Ah, this one.
Yes. So now you can do the Gyan Mudra. Okay, just so you can see me better. Fine. So now what we do, we inhale and exhale continuously 50 times without pause and with the force. Inhaling deep, exhaling with the force. Inhaling, exhaling. So be like this, and you will lift your chest up when you inhale. And use your force, use your power. Inhale and exhale, clean your vessel. Be straight, don't lift your neck, only lift your chest. Exhale out with the force and rhythm. Do 50 rounds. You will feel heat. You will feel
your
heat.
chest moves a lot more. My chest doesn't move.
Yeah,
much.
because I practice alone, because I practice alone every day. So that's why you feeling the more friction like this. Because I'm feeling my lungs with the power of my oxygen, that's why it's lifting up. It will come with the practice. Just try to move your body up. Slowly, it will come with the practice. Just connect with your body, with your breath. That's it. And just relax and focus on the motion. And clear your airways and nostrils, both nostrils. You will feel heat, you will feel sweat, you will feel fire, and that we need it. Very good. Just relax and take a deep inhale. Exhale to calm your breath. And after every round, you have to do this. Inhale deeply and exhale to calm yourself. Otherwise, you will feel breathless. Okay? So this is the first variation in the Bhastrika. And you have to do before meditation, after yoga. After the sun salutation, the 12th sun salutation, you have to start with this cleansing process, this kriya, this Bhastrika pranayama. Okay? So I'm going to teach you the second variation in the Bhastrika. Take your hand like this.
Like this?
And try to touch yourself like this. And be straight, normal, don't stiff. It should be gentle. Okay? And you will lift your hands up like this with the inhale. And when you're coming down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? So let's start inhaling and exhaling with the second round, 50. But don't force. No, only gently coming down. Okay? Go up, try to go up a little bit more to go, like this. Move your shoulder, move your chest, inhale and exhale, increase fire inside you. Keep sweating and inhaling and exhaling with the force. Use your sound, use your power. Good. Now relax. Very good. This is the second variation with the 50 round. I'm just giving you examples. But when you are doing, you have to do 50-50, okay? And you can count inside in your mind at that time. So now I'm going to teach you the third variation of it. We will do 4 variations. I will teach you only 4 variations today. So it's good for you. And maximum we can do minimum 50 and maximum 200. Don't do more than that because this is the cleansing process. It will increase fire inside you. It will increase heat inside you. When body increase heat and fire, it create imbalance energy in your brain, in your mind. So we just do in the beginning, just a cleansing process. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will do the third variation. You have to take your hand like this. Yes. Not like this. Don't like this. Be like this. Show me. See me. Yeah, gentle. Yes. And when you're going up, you will open your hands. Yeah, palm. And when you're coming down, you will close. When you're going up, inhale.
All the way like this or
Yeah,
halfway?
you can do
All the
halfway. Yeah,
like
halfway. Like this. And you can do full way also. It's okay. If you want to do full way, that is okay. No problem with that. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Do 50 rounds. Let's start. Continuously inhale and exhale. Continuously inhale and exhale. Use your force. Very good. Just relax for now. Inhale and exhale. Calm your breath. Very good. This is the third variation in the Bhastrika. So now I'm going to teach you the fourth variation. It's enough for today for your 1 month breathing exercises. Now what we do, we will do close with hand like this. Very good. Like this. Don't try to go. And when you go up like this, both together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? Last time. Very good. Use your force. Increase heat inside you. We need to clean the airways with that power, with that force. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Clean your nostrils. Clean your airways. Feel that. Connect with that part. Inside and outside. Both. Connect with your motion. Make connection, mind, body, and breath.
I move all my body though. Do I have to keep still? Like, do I have to keep my
you
body
have
more?
to. You can move a little bit, but don't move because if you use force, so then your body will move like this. If you will not
Okay.
use your hand force, otherwise your upper body is still and your hand is moving only like this. A little bit motion is okay, but don't move like this, no. Your upper body should be still and be like this. Just see me. Very good. And connect with that motion, with your mind, with the body and the breath. When you're inhaling and exhaling with your force. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So today I teach 4 variations in the Bhastrika, in the cleansing process of your inner vessel. Okay. So now we are going to do Kapalbhati. This is also cleansing exercise. This is not pranayama. This is cleansing exercise. So this is the sequence. First we will do Bhastrika, then we will do Kapalbhati. So now you need to sit in the Gyan Mudra with me in the easy pose. Yes, the Gyan Mudra. So what we do like this. Perfect. And what we do in this, we inhale, and when we exhale, so we squeeze the stomach in. So inhale. So if you want to see, so I can take off, so you can see better my stomach. I can do for you. Just see the motion of my stomach here. Because when I inhale, I will increase the diaphragm. And when I exhale, I will squeeze it and then exhale. We will do in this 3 times. Means 3 seconds, or 3 times in a 1 second, 2 times in a 1 second, 1 time in a 1 second. I'm going to teach you 3. Just see this 3 times in a 1 second. This is 3 times in a 1 second. Fast. 2 times in a 1 second. This is 2 times in a 1 second. Now 1 time in a 1 second. This is preferable for everybody. I will do 50. 1 time in 1 second. I'm exhaling when I'm squeezing in, okay? And if that part, if I do 3 times in 1 second, I will do very fast. This is not recommended who are suffering from asthmatic issue, who are suffering from heart disease, who are suffering from high blood pressure. So this exercise is not recommended. The Bhastrika and the Kapalbhati. So this is only for who are well, perfect, who just wanna do something in their life. So we will do 1 in a 1 second for you. So just focus on inward your stomach. Squeeze your stomach in when you exhale it. Do it right, then you will get the right effects. See this. Inhaling and exhaling in a 1 time. When I inhale, I squeeze it.
Is it right?
Here, in the 3 chakras, in my root, in my sacral, in my soul. Perfect. Do easily, 1 by 1. Okay, do like this. Inhale. Slowly, slowly. We will do slowly.
I get lost in the middle.
Yes. Just wait. Just see this. Inhale. One by one. Inhale and exhale. With the squeezing. Good. Give pressure in your stomach with the exhaling. Use your force when you exhale. Good. Connect with that part that you're moving. Make connection with your body, mind, and breath. Don't move your chest. Focus on your stomach. Yes. Make connection and move only particular part. Are you feeling effect in your root chakra?
Oh no, I forgot about my root. I'm doing this too.
Yes, because only 2 chakras is moving. That's why I'm asking. Only your solar chakra is moving very fast. You're focusing on that, on the solar and the chakra.
Let me include the.
Slowly it will come with the practice. Don't worry, just do it.
Okay.
Good.
Am I doing it right now?
You're doing right and focusing. Don't worry. I will let you know when you do something wrong. Just focus. When you squeeze, exhale. When you squeeze, exhale. When you squeeze, exhale. Forcefully. Very good. Okay, relax. Now I'm going to teach you the second variation in this. Do this Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra. This is Vishnu Mudra. Now, two fingers up and thumb. Two fingers.
Like this? Oh, two fingers.
Yes, like this. And do
Like
with
this.
the, yeah, like this. Perfect. And do Gyan Mudra. With the second hand, do Gyan Mudra. Do the Gyan Mudra with the second hand.
Oh, Gyan Mudra of the second.
Yes. So now you will block your left nostril with your thumb. Do, okay? And now do Kapalbhati in this. Do Kapalbhati now. Good. Perfect. Keep doing, keep doing. You have to da, keep doing. Relax. Now do alternate side. Close your right nostril with that finger, with the ring finger. Good. And now do Kapalbhati. This is the third variation. Focus on exhaling and squeezing. Very good. Do one by one. Don't do fast. Do slowly, slowly. One by one. Good. Good. Very good. Perfect. Good. Okay, relax. Now we will do alternate. This is the fourth variation. This is very difficult. In this, you will feel the pressure in your three chakras, in your belly, and you will feel a breathless uneasiness. So don't worry. In the beginning, everybody feels this, but do it slowly. Okay, don't do fast. Because I practice every day for 4 years, so I can do fast, but you have to do slowly. So make that mudra again, and we will do one by one. You have to be like this. See my posture.
Mhm.
In the Gyan Mudra, sit and one by one. Alternatively, one by one. You have to focus. Yes, it's difficult in the Vishnu Mudra. Yeah, I know. In the beginning, it's difficult. Don't worry, you will learn fast.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, practice makes perfect. You're so right. Okay. So now
Okay.
alternatively. One by one. Yes, in this you will feel pressure in your belly more. Because now you're using force. Now you're using your mind. Now you're using your body in a one time together, like a trinity. Okay, relax. These are the 4 variations of the Kapalbhati. Later I will teach you more, but it's enough for in the beginning session. So you have to do Bhastrika with the 4 variation 50-50 means 200, and then do Kapalbhati 50-50 means 200 again, and then we will start the breathing exercise. This is breathing exercise that is called Nadi Shodhana, and long below alternate nostril breathing. This is the very effective exercise, and I'm going to teach you very simple method, very simple variation. Do that again in the Gyan Mudra, the Vishnu Mudra, and the Gyan Mudra in your other hand. Very good. Now what we do in this, no jerking, no sound, no irregularity. When you inhaling, inhale very smoothly and deep. Increase the diaphragm of your belly, increase the diaphragm of your lungs, and then exhale from the another side. Alternate breathing. Inhaling deep, exhaling long. This is the real Himalayan yogic technique in the breath work. When you inhale, even you cannot listen your breath when you inhale. So what you observe, when we do breath work, lots of people ask me, so what I observe when I'm inhaling? So you need to observe in the beginning are you jerking? Is jerking with the pose, is coming with the pose like this. You have to observe. You have to practice to inhale smoothly, straight. Inhale, exhale, without jerking, without sound, without irregular. Okay?
Are there pauses between inhale and exhale, or is it continuous?
It's a continuously inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. In the beginning, you have to practice this only. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, but only observe. Observe that your breath is not jerking, no irregularity, no sound. Just practice on this. Inhale deep, exhale long. Inhale deep, exhale. You will feel instant relaxation in your mind, in your brain, in your thoughts. Instant. If you're feeling headache, migraine, just do this. You will feel so relaxed. Instant. It's a very effective balancing exercise. Hold, eat, hold, eat, hold. The right one is sun, the left one is moon. And this is the balancing exercise of body. Eat and hold, eat and hold. So let's start with Vishnu Mudra. Close your, just see, now your both nostrils working. See that. Do pressure. Both are working.
Do what?
Both nostrils working right now.
Yeah.
Because we do cleansing process. Now you can enjoy breath work. Because now your both nostrils are working. Okay, so let's start. Now close your left nostril in the thumb. Oh, now using right hand. Okay, using right hand, so you can use your finger. Okay, so I mostly use left hand. So you can close your left nostril and inhale from the right deep and exhale from the left long. Increase your diaphragm. Okay, focus increasing. No jerking, only smooth, no sound. Close your eyes and feel a connection. When you do long exhaling, you will feel your stomach is going in automatically, squeezing in. And when you inhaling, automatically you will increase the diaphragm, deep belly breathing.
It's really hard to do it slow when you go until the end. My body wants to do it very fast because it feels like it's without oxygen.
Yes, you will feel, but don't force. Okay, you don't need to force yourself. Just connect with your body. Just feel what your body responding. Inhale, because I do practice, so I can hold for so long. So if you see,
so I wasn't holding. I tried to exhale everything that I had, and my body was craving for air so much that I couldn't do it slowly. Just go like.
Yeah, it happens. But when you do every day, you will feel better.
Okay.
So I'm just giving you demo. Okay, it's just a demo. When you're doing yourself, when you see this video, I will share that link with you. So you can do, and you can do in front of you. You just see this video and you can do yourself.
Yeah.
And this practice, you can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. In the beginning, I will prefer 10 minutes enough for you.
Okay.
Just do this practice 10 minutes, and after that, you have to do Om sound 11 times. This is the whole breathing exercise for today. So Om sound means this is the universal sound first. You will feel, when you listen very in a micro level, you will feel the Om sound is coming from everywhere. Even from your body, when you're inhaling, when you're exhaling, whatever is happening inside and outside is Om. It's a universal sound. So we use with the breath work. The same method we use, deep inhaling very slowly, with the both nostrils, increase the diaphragm and lungs, and then say Om. Om is the combination of three words. A, U, Ma. It's a combination of three words. A, U, Ma. A means when you say A, it vibrates your root chakra. When you say U, it vibrates and stimulates your heart chakra. And when you say Ma, it stimulates your eye and crown chakra. They stimulate your energy points too. And the benefit of the Om sound with the breath work is you get power, you get energy. You will see the example is when you try to lift something heavy, you use your sound. You know, it's a human nature when we try to lift something heavy, so they use sound. So instantly they get power. In the gym, you know, even in the gym, in the other way, when you try to lift something, you use sound like this, and you get power of sound vibration because you're changing frequency inside you. That's why you can lift now. So we use all sound with the, like I'm giving you one demo, one round, and but you have to do 11 times. Number is most important. The 12 times sense salutations and 50 to 200 Vastrika, and then 50 to 200 Kapal Bhati. Then you can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That Nadi Shodhana, the breathing exercise. Then you have to do 11 times Om sound. No 9, no 10, no 7, only 11. This is most important. So I'm just giving you one demo. I will inhale deeply, I will increase my diaphragm, then I say Om. As much as long you can go, just do it. Just see this.
Do I do it or do you do it? I got lost. You do it. Okay.
When I say Om, because I'm exhaling, so my stomach will go in automatically. Means I'm doing the breathing exercise, but with the sound. It becomes Trinity. Inhaling, exhaling with the sound power, with the power of Om, the pranava. Now you can do inhale and then exhale with the sound long. At the end, you will close your mouth with the Ma and vibrate your crown chakra. Do it one round.
When I do Om at the end and with the M, do I have to like lift my mouth, like my tongue, and touch the roof of my mouth with my tongue?
You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You can touch your tongue with the teeth. Or you don't need to do that. When you say you will open your mouth. And then you say you will close your mouth half. When you say Ma, you completely close. Ma. So do it right now, and you have to do 11 times when you do your practice every day. Increase your diaphragm, no tongue, no jumping, no irregularity. Very smooth inhaling deep, and then exhale with the Om. Vibrate all little bit. You have to take short and Ma. U should be long.
Oh, it's the U that is long. Okay.
Yes, just like this. Vibrate 3-4 seconds. Ma, at least. Vibrate. Feel the vibration in your crown chakra.
Okay, let me try again.
Perfect. Do like this, but you have to do with the closed eyes, not the naked eyes, because you have to make connection inward.
Yes.
When you're doing your breathing exercises, so always try to make connection inward, because this is the inside journey. So make connection with the body motion. Mind and body connection is most important, and then make connection with the breath. So now you will do after that the bees humming. This is the last exercise of breathing. The same thing we will do. Keep inhaling like Om, but we will just close the mouth and humming, long humming with the exhaling. Deep inhaling. As long you can go. If you go long, you can heal more, you can cure more. So focus on long exhaling and deep inhaling. Okay? So do
This one 11 times too?
Yes, this is 11 times 2. The number is most important and the ratio is most important in this. Because this is
Can I use like something to remind me? Because once I do something, then I get lost. It's hard for me to keep the count. So
no problem. You can. In the beginning time, you can, no problem. But after that, when it's become your habit, then you don't need it. I know that. In the beginning, you can use whatever you feel preference for yourself. Okay?
Okay.
It will give you so much relaxation. Because after this humming, you will feel so relaxed, so calm, like thoughtless. Then we will enter in the meditation and energy transfers. It's the sequence we need to follow. The yoga for body alignment. When we do yoga, so it gives the alignment of your body. So yoga, then breath work. Breath will give you satisfaction and alignment in your mind, in your thoughts. When your mind is relaxed, when your body is relaxed and calm, then you can enjoy meditation. Then you can do meditation. So yoga, breath work, then meditation. And different meditation we do. So we will do but energy transmission today. So yoga, cleansing process in the breath work, then pranayama, then meditation. Right? So if you want to ask me something, you can tell me, because right now it's recording. After that, I will just stop this.
Oh, no, it's okay. Everything is very clear.
Yeah. Okay. So I need to close. Fine. I'm just going to stop.